Living with a body that feels like it is constantly at war with itself changes the way you look at the world. You find yourself scrolling through your phone at 3 in the morning. You are looking for anything that promises a moment of peace from that deep, gnawing pelvic pain. That is exactly where products like Endora step into the frame. They show up with sleek branding and bold promises about reclaiming your life. This supplement is marketed as an immunomodulatory probiotic mixed with a botanical complex. That is a very fancy way of saying it uses bacteria and plants to try and nudge your immune system into behaving. It targets the heavy hitters of endometriosis like restless legs, hip discomfort, and that crushing lower back pain that makes sitting at a desk feel like a marathon. They even hint at helping with fertility concerns. That is a massive emotional hook for so many women who feel like their future is on the line. But here's where we have to pause and look at the fine print, or rather, the lack of fine print. When you actually try to find the hard data, things get a bit blurry. The product page is full of glowing testimonials. It has high review counts that make it look like a sure thing. However, a testimonial is just a story. It is not a clinical trial. It is not a peer-reviewed study showing that these specific ingredients in these specific amounts actually do what the marketing says they do. We do not even have a clear view of the full ingredient list or the exact dosages used in their formula. This is a huge red flag in the world of wellness. If you are putting something into your body to manage a complex medical condition, you deserve to know exactly what is in that capsule. There is a very thin line between a supplement meant for general wellness and a product that claims to treat a specific disease. Endora leans very hard into that second category. They talk about symptom relief in a way that sounds almost like a medical treatment, but a supplement is not a drug. It is not regulated the same way. It does not have to prove it works before it hits the market. You are basically taking a leap of faith based on a website's promises. That does not necessarily mean it is a total scam. It might be a real product with real ingredients. But being legit and being effective are two different things. You have to ask yourself if you are paying for science or if you are paying for hope. Hope is expensive. It is also very easy to package and sell. If you're thinking about trying this, you need to do the legwork that the company is not doing for you. You need to hunt down the safety details. You need to look for independent research on those botanical blends. Most importantly, you need to talk to a doctor who understands the biology of endometriosis. Do not let a polished social media ad be the final word on your health. We see this pattern over and over again in the supplement industry. They find a community that is underserved by traditional medicine. They offer a natural alternative that sounds perfect. Then they hide behind vague terms like botanical complex. It makes it impossible to verify the claims. You deserve transparency. You deserve to know if that probiotic strain has ever actually been tested for pelvic inflammation. Without that data, you are just a human guinea pig. It is frustrating because we all want that magic pill. We want the one thing that stops the hip pain and gives us our energy back. But health is rarely that simple. Be careful with your wallet. And even more careful with your body. Verified science should always come before a pretty bottle and a list of 5-star reviews. Think about the way these companies use the word immunomodulatory. It sounds clinical. It sounds like it has been through a lab, but without the specific names of the bacterial strains, that word is just a marketing shield. It protects them from having to show their work. You're dealing with a condition that impacts your mobility, your career, and your future family plans. That is far too important to leave up to a supplement that won't even disclose its full formula. Demand more than just a high review count. Demand real evidence before you commit your time and money to a bottle of capsules that might just be expensive floor sweepings.